friends, how are you? Please write to me in the comment box how are you doing and how is your lockdown period going on. Are you able to go outside? Because we are able to. Weather is so good and it is allowed to go as a family or maximum group of 2 persons. We can go outside to enjoy the sun. Yeah, we have to maintain social distancing. We have to keep a distance of 5 meters from the other group, but it is still doable. And today I want to show you a very beautiful lake near our home. It is called Blaustein See. In English it will mean Blue Stones Lake, and it is very beautiful. It is actually a new lake. It began its construction in 1994 and it took 3 years to get completed, and it's really very beautiful lake, and the history is very interesting. Earlier there used to be coal mining in this area, so the pit left over, they filled the water in that pit, and that is how this lake was formed. It's a very good recreational facility for the people here. It's free of cost, can you believe it? Parking is free most of the time, but in certain area it is for €2, very negligible cost, and it's total free to do sailing there. The wedding parties are held for maximum 50 70 people can have wedding parties there, and people do swimming, people do sunbathing, people do jogging, trailing. There is a big forest area nearby, so we can also go for a walk, and we can see beautiful creatures here. Trees are so beautiful, and it's really very natural habitat, very good area. And today I want to show you that place, so come along with me and enjoy. Let's go.
So this lake is located in the city of Eschweiler. It is very near to our home. Look, sky is so blue because of the less pollution. Here everything is very calm and clear. Fresh air is very important for good health. So left and right you can see the fields. There are even tractors going. People here are very close to the nature, so they love spending time outdoors, doing physical activities. It helps in not only in physical health but also mental health. This is the sign of this lake, this roundabout with blue stones. So now we have reached the parking area of the lake. It's totally free with all the dustbins and all the easy amenities here. So this is the green belt of the lake. In summer it is more green, but right now trees are about to blossom. So from here people can go for trekking. They do cycling. On this track they can do cycling, but we will go a little bit, we will take the steps and we will go for the forest trail. There are so many types of animals here. Not wild animals, big animals are not there, but still it's very good for dog walking, just for walk and tracking. It's very calm here. Even when there are so many people, you can still find the peace here. Water is so blue. So these are the signboards where we can do boating or fishing. People do here diving, swimming. Even wedding photo shoots take place here. So in some areas bathing is forbidden where water is too deep, but otherwise in summers people come here for swimming and just enjoying the sun. It's a very good recreational area for the people around here. We can spend very good family time here. Sailing boat, fishing, swimming, running, walking, jogging. Look, this in the middle there is a round area panorama view where wedding take place. My friend wedding took place in this area. Look, there are the windmills. People believe in green energy here. Most of the electricity is produced through these windmills. So there are the beehives also. There was also a school here for teaching how to dive. So this is the other side of the lake. Total lake area is 100 hectares. There are enough benches to sit. There are also apple tree, peach trees, pears. We can just pluck and eat them. In few months there will be full of flowers here. Look, water is so blue. In Bollywood we have a song, Aaj blue hai pani pani. It feels like that. Such a good area. Peaceful, calm, just like meditation. Totally relaxes my mind when I come here. So there are fields here where people grow spinach, radishes, cauliflower. There is 10 to 15 kilometer cycling area. There is stadiums for lawn tennis. There are horse riding schools. Here is a separate trail of horse riding. So everything is according to the rules and regulations and totally marked what we can do where. It helps in keeping the society systematic. So there is also gliding schools here. People do gliding, hot air balloons, paragliding. So these are the fields on the other side of the lake. And here is a small praying area with Jesus. Look, it's very pretty. Look, there are so many windmills. We can do cycling through these windmills, and their farmhouses.
So, how did you like the place? Please write to me in the comment box. What are your viewpoints? How did you like this place? Do you also have such type of lake near your house? And please like this video if you liked my video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And please stay safe, stay connected, enjoy. Bye bye.